everyone, this is Mac, Southern Blessed Homestead. Hadn't made a video in a while, so figured I'd show you some stuff we got going on today. Trying to winterize the chicken coop, and Patty's out here picking all the rest of the peppers. It's supposed to get down to 34 tonight, so she's just going to pick anything that's left out of the garden. This is all her plants that we've got to get in. Man, I still got to get these 2 apple trees in the ground. There's one of our new speckled Sussex, if that's what you call it. Oh, she's not the one. We clipped some wings last night. We missed her. That's why she's getting out. We have got to clip her wings. She gets out of flying out. Anyway, I got to get these 2 apple trees planted. And we're going to put a lot of this stuff in the greenhouse so it will survive. But still got flowers blooming stuff. And this garden, man, it's a jungle out here. It's an absolute jungle out here. Man, oh man. This is probably the worst looking garden we've ever had. Weeds and grass has grown up, and yep, pretty pathetic. We got some pretty flowers here. What are you doing? Picking all the peppers. We did pretty good on our grow bags with all our potatoes. I might insert that in here and put a couple of videos of all the potato harvest. We had a really good potato harvest, and I never did put any of that footage up, so I might insert some of that here along with our onion harvest. But yeah, look at that, man. It's just, everything is just overtaking. It's just crazy. Crazy. But we're out here fixing to go. As soon as she does that, we're going to wrap the chicken coop, make sure it's all warm and everything for the night. So that's what we got going on. Hey, what are you doing? Flash, you watching the kitty cat? What are you doing? You gonna say hi to everybody? Huh? You gonna say hi? Nope. Your eyeballs are zoomed in on the kitty cat? Yeah. Who's a good boy? Hey, Flash, who's a good boy? You don't care about me, no you? Nope. So I've still been cleaning up stuff. Man, I have hauled off probably 5 loads of stuff to the dump. There's some stuff in here I gotta haul off and empty. I take that thing off. We've had that thing for probably 20 years. It's never worked right. It was supposed to be a compost tumbler, and it never did anything. So it's been sitting there forever. And I got to get rid of these pallets. I got a few things over here to get rid of and haul off. So I'm trying to make a path through here so we can cut down that tree and that huge tree there. And it is huge and massive. So yeah, I'm gonna be cutting all that down. That tent's gonna get put up. This is gonna get cleaned up, taken down. My son's old Jeep, I'm gonna haul it out to the front and I don't know, put it on Facebook Marketplace for a couple $100 or something just to get rid of it. Turn that down, cleaning up the pallets out there, so moving that. So we're gonna have a big path here between the container there and her tool shed over there. So that tree should fall perfect right down through there. So that's what I'm doing, cleaning all this up. We're taking some of this to Goodwill. And yeah, so we've got to be careful. I'll have to have the power turned off when we get ready to do it, because that's pole going to our house. And they'll have to turn the power off, and then I will have to get up here on a ladder and disconnect that so that wire will drop down. So I'm gonna have to cut that limb. I gotta cut down that limb, and then that way though, and those other limbs right there, so that I can unhook the wire and drop it down on the ground and just lay it on the ground. And I got a crew coming out to cut these 2 trees down. So yeah, a lot of work, a lot of work been going on. And if you seen the last video, you'll know how much we've cleaned up so far. So it's a lot. I hate that it got that bad, but when you go without a truck for a while, you ain't got no place to put anything. You ain't got no way taking it off. So I just was piling stuff up, and then over the years, stuff just gathered. I mean, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm sure some of y'all the same way. It just catches up to you, and then one day you look around going, Lord have mercy, this is a junkyard. So I'm tired of it. I'm tired, I'm old, I'm tired. Cleaning it up, hauling it off, giving it away, selling it, donating it, whatever. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we are going to be wrapping this back up. We kept the styrofoam panels that we used. Here's our new chickens. We haven't showed y'all. We got 4 of them, and one of them jumped out. But I was told that they are speckled. How do you say the word? Sussex, I think. Is how you say that? But yeah, they're real sweet, real gentle. And these chickens over here are mean to them, poor things. So yeah, we're going to put styrofoam around that. Well, we're going to wrap it up. We're going to wrap it up in plastic so the chickens won't peck it, and then set it up there, then put a tarp over it, and then it'll be all winterized. That's what we've done for the past several years. But man, I think a couple of these chickens are molting. There's feathers everywhere. I got the chickens out. I think this is the first time they've been out since, these are 2 new ones. They're speckled Sussex or something like that. I think this is the first time they've been out in the last couple of months since the coyote attack that got, like, man, I forgot how many they got. 2, 4, 2, something like that. Got our rooster. Oh man, that still tears me up every time I think about that. That was the best rooster in the world. I miss that rooster. Anyway, we got all this cleaned up. Y'all remember, this is like 3 or 4 big old huge bushes. I got all that cleaned up. Finally got the tarp thing taken off and everything emptied out. That table is a really good table. There's nothing wrong with it. We're going to wipe it down, clean it up, and probably donate it. But the headboards on top, they didn't survive the storage. They're all warped and they're coming apart. So anyway, we're going to move the rest of that out and move that frame. Then I've got that shed there to empty and tear down because it's falling apart. Then I got this over here to move, that Jeep to move, and some other stuff back there. And so yeah, I got that big metal thing that cage that was here. I'm burning this right now. So I'm still trucking along. And that's the big tree, and it's tall. It is tall and it's humongous. So I'm gonna get back here and turn around so y'all can see. I emptied that out since the last video. I'm burning that, moving that, got all that done. So yeah, I'm gonna stand right in front of the tree and show you right where it's gonna fall. So it's gonna fall between the rabbit, the storage container, and Patty's shed off here. So I've got that room from there to there. And I talked to the guys, and they said that that would be plenty of room width-wise, and the length that it won't hit my new metal barn back there or that old one there. So it'll have plenty of room to fall there. It might take out some limbs on this tree, which is fine because I'm probably gonna wind up cutting it down anyway. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. That is what I'm doing. So I told Patty, I said, hey, I'm gonna be burning wood all evening long. So what do you got that we can have by the fire? And she said, well, I'll break out the hot dogs. So I guess we're having hot dogs for dinner tonight. So anyway, I'm cleaning this all up and burning that. Burning some old rotten pallets. So I'll have this fire going for a while. And we're gonna get it all cleaned up. I'm gonna do another update. Anyway, it doesn't turn cold, as you can tell. So we're not in fall anymore. It done got cold. So but anyway, I thought I'd show you a little bit of what I got done and on all this cleanup mess. I can only do so much because I've got a bad hip. January the 13th, they're supposed to give me a hip replacement on my left hip. So y'all keep me in your prayers on that. So I can only work a little at a time. It hurts real bad, especially when I'm on it for a long time on this ground that's all uneven, and man, it hurts. So let me turn around and show you what I've done so far. So I showed you in this last video, I had all this cut down. I just need to pick it up, burn it or something. But I've got stuff over here to haul to the dump. And you saw in the last one, I had some stuff in here. All that's gone. I gotta pick up all the rotted pallets. I'm gonna burn all them and then move this frame. So all I have left to clear out is tear that down. And I almost had that moved out of here, that Jeep. I couldn't find the keys, but I finally found the keys. So we're gonna get that moved, get all this here moved. And yeah, then I think we'll be ready to get this tree here cut down. And I want to do this one. I got to cut that lower limb there and there, get those two down. They're up under that wire. So I'm gonna have to disconnect that wire from that pole and drop it on the ground. So anyway, the main goal is to get that great big one there cut down. This one's not gonna be too bad. But anyway, we've got the grandkids here. They're playing with Flash. They're here for a whole month of December, and they're having fun. Boy, Flash is really loving having them here. He is just going crazy. He's really enjoying having kids to play with. But they've been coming out here a couple of times every day and just chasing each other and running up and down. Hey. You wave. Yeah. So that's what I've got so far, and hopefully pretty soon I'll get the rest of this mess cleaned up so we can get that tree cut down. So I apologize for dragging these videos out. Like I said, I can only do so much, and then so that's kind of far in between, but I figured I'd put this video out and get caught up with everything where we're at. And so anyway, y'all keep me in your prayers for July the 13th for my hip replacement. Kind of nervous about that, but I've talked to a lot of people, and they said it ain't nothing to it, and they wish they'd have done it sooner, that it really helped them. So I'm hoping it'll help me, because man, I'm telling you what, it's pretty painful trying to walk around and work on it. But all right, well, I appreciate y'all watching, and hope you have a Southern blessed day.